guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a super quick and easy 3-ingredient recipe for low-carb keto waffles. They're so simple to make, are absolutely delicious, and although they're not vegan, just be aware of that. If you're doing a low-carb diet, these will be something that I think all of you will enjoy. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started making these 3-ingredient keto waffles. For these waffles, you'll only need 3 ingredients, and those are half a cup of shredded cheese, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, and 1 egg. The almond flour I found at my local grocery shop. It's by Red Mill. And for the cheese, I'm using smoked Gouda, but really any type that melts well will work for this. Also, you'll want a waffle iron, which I got this little mini one at Crate & Barrel, and it works great. Okay, so to get started, just combine all the ingredients in a mixing bowl until it becomes sort of a batter. After you combine them and whip them together, it'll be a little bit lumpy, but that's okay. It should look something kind of like this. Then just grease up your waffle iron so the batter won't stick to it, and pour the mixture right in there. Just make sure you don't overfill it because it will ooze out all over the place and it's not very fun to clean up. I did have this happen and it kind of sucked. But they also expand and fluff up as they cook, so maybe put a plate underneath just to be safe. After a few minutes, your waffles will turn golden brown, and that's it. They're ready to be taken off the waffle iron. Repeat these steps for however many you want. I went ahead and made 2, and that's all there is to it. They're golden, they're fluffy, and they're great with whatever you want to put on them. I've used peanut butter and berries, or even as bread for like something like a breakfast sandwich. They're just so good and so fluffy and very, very, very similar, if not almost identical to the real thing. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy recipes, and I will see you guys again very soon. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.